Hi guys, this is Ian at Vaporleaf here, and today I'm going to show you how to fill the Uforce T2 tank. So to start out with, we're going to unscrew the base of the tank from the top, like so. Once you have that off, go ahead and unscrew your coil. Now with your coil out, you're going to go ahead and prime your coil. Go ahead and apply juice directly to the cotton in the center there. You're going to want to make sure the windows on the outside look nice and wet with juice. Once that's done, go ahead and screw that coil back into the base of your tank. Screw that tank base with the coil now in it back into the top of your coil. To fill your tank, we're going to go ahead and push that arrow right above the Uforce logo, and it just slides right open, exposing the fill hole. So you're going to go ahead and take your bottle of juice, poke the tip straight into that fill hole, and squeeze. To make it a little bit easier when you're using these large bottles of juice, you might want to take that drip tip out, and it allows you to put the bottle of juice directly into the hole, reducing any spillage down the side. It's a lot easier to work with that way. The tank glass that comes already on the tank is going to be a 5 ml capacity glass. There is a 5.5 ml and an 8 ml capacity glass available for purchase separately, but you will have to buy a tank extender with it as well, not just the glass.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can pick this up on our website at vaporleaf.com or come check it out in our shop in Lakewood, Colorado. We'll see you next time. Bye.